Hey everybody, TWA here. This video is going to be subpar. According to the dates on my video files, these start in 2021, but if I remember correctly, I actually started this project late summer 2019 or sometime during the summer of 2020. I don't have notes, I don't have notations for most of my paint, so this build will be light on narration. When I started this kit, it was my first time using significant photo etch, and it really set me against PE for a while. This kit is generally not great, but the photo etch is terrible. It is thick, almost impossible to remove from the sheet, and it is impossible to bend correctly. Interior color was either Tamiya's German Grey or Vallejo's Model Air RLM66, which was sprayed with lightened layers to create a kind of highlighting effect. After a Vallejo gloss clear coat, Tamiya black panel liner was used in the cockpit. The underside of this project was one of the earlier experiments in black basing I did after reading about it on Duke's models. I can't say for sure what this underside is. I'm going to guess it's Vallejo Air RLM 76. I also don't know what the upper colors were. They were painted a little later than the underside, so these may be Vallejo Model Air or they could be a custom Tamiya mix. Propeller components were painted with a custom Tamiya RLM70. After a layer of Tamiya gloss clear, the decals were applied in the typical method. Microset, apply the decal after soaking it in warm water for about 60 seconds, solvaset after the decal dries. The decals are one of the few positive things I have to say about this kit. They apply thin and clear and without much fuss. If I were to do another Slipper 190, I'd probably take the tank and decal off this kit and build anybody else's A7 with them. I washed the plane with Flory Models grime. The exhaust was painted with an extremely thin mixture of mostly black and some red-brown sprayed at very low pressures. I drilled a small hole in the canopy to correctly affix the radio wire. You can see here that I abandoned finishing the canopy internals and prioritized getting this project off my shelf. The way this kit is designed, all the canopy internals are photo etch and there are no plastic alternatives. So with the issues I was having with the photo etch, I decided just to get this thing out. The canopy was fixed with carefully applied Tamiya extra thin cement. Weathering was kept extremely minimal, just small chips with Vallejo silver around select wear points. Finally, the antenna was superglued into place and the model was as complete as it was going to get. I have I think two other Dragon 190s. I'm not super looking forward to putting them together. One of them I really like the scheme of, but the decals are absolutely shot, so I'm not sure what I'm going to do with that. But yeah, the photo etch was just really bad. I wouldn't have minded it so much if the photo etch was like a lot of companies do, where they have, you know, their plastic base kit and then the photo etch additions that replace plastic parts and make it look better. But this one, pretty much everything inside the canopy relied on the photo etch. So when the photo etch is not cooperating, and I'm on a time limit and I just don't have the time to make it work, the photo etch gets abandoned and the canopy just gets left empty. So it's not great to look into the cockpit, but I think the final result looks pretty okay overall. It's kind of a bland scheme, but it's definitely a unique 190 to add to the collection. So if you really want this unique airplane, I suppose pick up the kit. If you can find a way to get tanks and build somebody else's and just slap tanks on, I think that's the better route. But in any case, thanks for watching, and I will see you guys next time.
Wer wird in den Ohren mit dem Mann an den Wein?